Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will do some practice how to make fried bananas. Of course, the first we need ingredients. We have oil, mereknya Sanko, and then
banana.
and the kepok bananas and triangular flour, and then oil, and then a knife for cut the bananas and peel it.
Okay.
Here's how to make it. The first step, we have to cut the bunch of bananas, and then we peel it. We need minimal 3 bananas to make 1 portion. Do it again. We have to cut the bunch and then peel it. And then cut into 3 pieces.
Be careful.
Be careful, the knife is so soft, so we have to make like fingers. Okay, that's done. And now we cut and slice into 3 pieces. Okay, and then we do it again. Make it like your fingers.
Okay. Slide.
And then we take again the bananas, cut the bunch. Then skin it. And then we cut into 3 pieces again. Sorry, that's failed. Okay, that failed. We change the bananas.
Nanti tuh kita simpan lagi, taruh lagi.
Okay. Cut. Be careful. The knife is so soft, and if you failed, you have changed the bananas. Okay, not bad. And here's how we cut and slice the bananas and make it like 3 fingers. Okay, we done to cut the banana. We have 2 fingers and 3 fingers. The next step, pour the flour carefully and slowly. Okay, that's right. And then we put the quarter salt spoon.
It's
Enough, and enough sugar. Put it into the baskom.
rock sugar.
Yes. Put again the flour. Because today we make many bananas, so we need many flour too. So we put again the flour into the baskom. Okay, they're done. So mix with the water. And then we put the water into the baskom. The water is about as thick as baby biscuit porridge. Don't burn it, it has to be thick. Then, wait, okay, maybe done. Stir all the ingredients.
Okay, all ingredient. Go on.
Then the water is about as thick as baby biscuit porridge. Don't panic, it has to be thick. Just stir it.
Oh. It's enough. The water is enough.
The water is enough. So stir it. Just stir it. Like baby biscuit porridge. Okay, now we done to stir the ingredients. And then now we put the bananas 3 pieces. Wait it.
Slowly.
We mix it slowly.
Yes,
Fry the fried bananas. Pour the fried oil into the frying pan. We need many oil because we fry it.
You need?
We need more oil again.
Okay. Take.
Okay,
Yeah, it's enough.
That's enough. And then boil it or heat it the oil. Okay, that's done. So we go to the next step. We will fry the bananas. We have done to wait the oil to be heated for 5 minutes. Now we go to the next step. How to fry? Put all your hands into the bananas dipping mixture, then put them in hot oil slowly. They have to be submerged in oil. Don't be afraid to put your hands in the pan. You won't get oil on it as long as you go slowly. The aim is to use your hands and not use your spoon so that the banana shape of your fingers doesn't stick together and remains white. Now we will wait. We will fry it. The next step, when it is golden brown, remove from head and get aside. Okay. Good. Slowly. Oke.
Terus aja.
Oh, ladies banget.
Oke, sudah cukup. Ayo.
Bagaimana tadi?
Dipegang ini nanti jatuh dia. Taruh di sini aja dia. Takutnya nanti. Nah, di situ aja. Oke. Put into the pan. Each of piece banana.
Finally ready to cook the fried bananas, and then the bananas is ready to serve. Now, as the addition to make the bananas more delicious, we add the milk. Slowly, slowly. Okay, that's our practice today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Parhun Lombok. Thank you for watching. Syukron. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.